Illuminating luxury. Elevate your home with LED lights. Upgrade your home with LED lights and unlock a world of possibilities that combine sustainability, elegance, and upscale design. LED lights not only offer energy efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and longevity but also provide unique and captivating applications that will transform your home into a luxurious haven. Achieving LED upgrades with economic brilliance. Achieving these stunning LED upgrades in a money-saving manner is entirely possible, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of a luxurious home without breaking the bank. Here are some cost-effective ways to incorporate these LED enhancements. By incorporating LED art displays, mirrors, faucets, and showerheads into your home, you not only embrace the latest in eco-friendly technology but also elevate your living space to a whole new level of elegance and refinement. Immerse yourself in the captivating beauty of LED lighting, where sustainability meets opulence, and create an ambiance that truly reflects your sophisticated lifestyle. With LED lights, your home becomes a sanctuary of style, where luxury and responsibility harmoniously coexist. LED lights have the power to elevate the ambiance and transform a living room into a captivating space. With their versatility and stunning illumination, LED lights add a touch of enchantment to every corner. Whether it's accentuating architectural features, highlighting artwork, or creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, LED lights offer endless possibilities. Their energy-efficient nature ensures long-lasting and cost-effective lighting solutions, allowing you to enjoy the beauty and charm of your living room while minimizing energy consumption. LED lights bring a vibrant and dynamic element to the space, allowing you to customize the lighting according to your mood and preferences. From soft and cozy warm tones to vibrant and lively colors, LED lights can create the perfect ambiance for relaxing evenings, entertaining guests, or setting a serene atmosphere. Captivating LED art displays. Unleash your creativity. Imagine showcasing your exquisite taste with LED art displays. Create mesmerizing visual masterpieces using LEDs, whether it's a custom design that reflects your personality or pre-made designs that beautifully illuminate any space. These captivating LED art displays will elevate your home decor to a whole new level, leaving your guests in awe of your impeccable style. Flawless illumination. LED mirrors for grooming perfection. Illuminate your grooming routine with LED mirrors. These sleek and sophisticated mirrors offer bright and even lighting, perfect for applying makeup or shaving with precision. Say goodbye to dimly lit spaces and embrace the brilliance of LED technology, providing you with optimal lighting for flawless beauty rituals. Enchanting glow. LED faucets that make a splash. Revamp your bathroom or kitchen sink with the enchanting glow of LED faucets. These innovative faucets add a touch of playfulness and sophistication to your home. As the water flows, the LED lights activate, creating a captivating display of colors that adapt to the water's temperature. Indulge in a delightful visual experience every time you use the faucet, turning mundane tasks into moments of luxury. Consider gradual upgrades. If a complete LED overhaul seems financially overwhelming, consider implementing these upgrades gradually. Prioritize the areas or rooms where LED lighting would make the most impact or align with your aesthetic goals. This approach allows you to spread out the costs over time while still enjoying the benefits of LED enhancements. Energy-efficient incentives and rebates. Check with your local utility company or government agencies for any available incentives or rebates for energy-efficient upgrades. Some regions offer programs that encourage homeowners to switch to energy-saving technologies like LED lights. Taking advantage of such incentives can significantly reduce your initial investment and long-term energy expenses. By being resourceful, cost-conscious, and open to alternative purchasing options, you can achieve these LED upgrades in an economically efficient way.